Good morning, students, and welcome to your very first week of pharmacy calculations. I'm going to be your professor. My name is Jessica Howard. I hope all of you have a wonderful 5.5 weeks in this classroom. For those of you who haven't met me before, I hope you take the time to read my introduction in the student lounge so that way you get to know about me. I'll also introduce myself in the beginning of our first lecture this week, which is going to be on Thursday at 7:30 Central Time, 8:30 Eastern Time. Please take a look at the announcement section where you found this video. It's going to tell you what's going on every week. I post what's going on during the week, when our live lectures are going to be. I also go back in and add the archived live lecture. I add my PowerPoint, so if you want to use that to take notes. I add what assignments we have for the week with the rubric that goes with them. You can also find the rubrics for everything in your grade book. And then if there's anything else that's going on that's important, I'll let you know that there as well. So please take a look at that and tell me if there's anything you have questions on. There are also days posted where I have office hours. If those office hours don't meet your schedule, and I know that's possible because everybody has very different schedules, please feel free to email me or send me a course message. I'd be very happy to meet with you at a different time. We can just set that up according to both of our schedules. Maybe just to go over some problems that you aren't so sure about, if there's issues with the homework, or if there's something in class that you saw that just still doesn't make quite enough sense. Please follow up on it pretty quickly. Everything builds as we go along through the weeks, so it's better to catch up on it that current week than it is to let it linger, because then you might just have trouble down the road. I hope everybody enjoys this class. Been teaching it. This is going to be my 6th time, so learned as I've gone what works and what doesn't. If there's something that's not working for you, like I said, please let me know immediately, and I'll see if I can do something to help correct that. I am reachable by all forms of communication, email. So my Rasmussen email is listed up by my picture. My cell phone is also there listed. Please just make sure that you're kind to me and it's only 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. that you're texting me. Or you can do the course messaging here in Blackboard. And I will always get back to you within 24 hours. I hope everyone has a great rest of your week, and hopefully I'll see quite a few of you in our live classroom on Thursday.